Assalamu-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is probability. This is the next and new chapter. So what is probability? The subject of probability is of great importance these days and it is being applied in almost all branches of science and technology. So the idea of probability was first applied in gambling games in France. Today, this application of theory of probability is the most important in making decisions in business, insurance, management, psychology, sociology, physics, etc. So before defining probability, we explain some algebraic concept or mathematical preliminaries or technology of counting. So factorial notation. What is factorial notation? In factorial, or we can write it with the n, and this is known as factorial. So n factorial denote the product of first n positive integers. N factorial equals to n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 up to 3 to 1. For example, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is the product of first 7 positive integers. Thus, this product is denoted by 7 factorial, that is 7 factorial equal to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. और अगर हमारे पास कोई भी डिजिट हो, लेट्स सपोज 10 है हमारे पास, 10 फैक्टोरियल को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 10 के जितने प्रीवियस नंबर्स आ रहे हैं उन सबको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. लेट्स सपोज 10 आ गया. द नेक्स्ट वन इज यहाँ पर इनटू, उसके बाद है 9, उसके बाद है 8, उसके बाद है 7, उसके बाद है 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and at the end digit is 1. So this is the 10 factorial. The next one is permutation. What is permutations? Permutation is defined as the number of arrangements which can be made by taking some or all the numbers of objects. Thus, the number of arrangements which can be made by taking three objects A, B, and C in a row, like A, B, C. This is the first arrangement. The second arrangement of the three alphabet is ACB. The next one is BCA. The next one is BAC. The second last is CAB, and the last one is CBA. So we can say that any three objects that can be arranged in 6 different ways. So the next is permutation of different objects. So the number of permutation of n different objects taken all at the time denoted by NPR. Or what is the formula? So we can say that NPN when the number of permutation of n different objects. So when there is n number of different objects, so we take the permutation of all at the time will be denoted by NPN. This is permutation. This is the first case. The second one is when the number of permutation of n different objects taken are at a time. फर्स्ट केस में हमारे पास था कि n different object had taken all at a time. सब objects की बात हो रही है फर्स्ट स्टेप में. The second step is the number of permutation of n object taken are at a time denoted by npr. So when there is r time, so we take the permutation by with the help of this formula npr. Or we express this formula or simplify it in this way as well, like n factorial divided by n minus r. N minus r whole factorial. The third step is the number of permutation of n objects of which n1 are of one type, n2 are of second kind, n3 are the n3 is the third type, and ns of the ss type denoted by permutation or p. So we will write this kind of permutation with the help of this formula, like p equals to n factorial and whole divided by n1 factorial. The second one is n2 factorial. The third one is n3 factorial. This is n3 factorial, and the last one is ns factorial. So this is the last formula. ns, or we can say ns and whole factorial. So these are the three different permutation of different objects.